Con ganas, Alicia.
Well, it looks like Alicia did her very well.
Mhm.
Does she know what she wants to be when she grows up? Want to be a cook?
¿Qué quieres ser cuando seas grande, Alicia?
Dice, esta cosa no se ni mancha, esta cosa